Finding winning products every single day is probably one of those most annoying parts of eBay dropshipping, and not because it's hard, but because it's just time consuming, and most people are doing the same thing over and over again, just searching for random keywords, opening random stores, trying to find one decent product that after spending hours and hours researching and so on. Look, honestly, that gets old really fast, okay? So in this video, I'm gonna show you a much smarter and faster way to do the product research using ZIK Analytics, and just by building a simple competitor list, you can find multiple winning products in less than 15 minutes. I'm not even kidding. And the best part is that the entire process becomes extremely simple once you know exactly what to look for. So I don't want to waste your time. Let's jump into this, okay? One of the biggest problems with eBay dropshipping is not finding products, okay? It's finding products consistently, because most people can eventually find winning products if they spend enough time researching, correct? The problem is that, every single day they start from zero. Again and again, like new keywords, new searches, new competitors, new stores. And after a few hours, maybe they found the product that they need, that they're looking for, but at what cost? Your personal life, family, and fun, and so on. So it takes a lot of time away from that. So the real issue here isn't knowledge, okay? It's the lack of a system. Because once you understand how to identify a good competitor, someone with strong margins, proven sales, and products that are actively moving, there is no reason to lose that seller forever after finding them once. And that's where building a competitor list becomes powerful. Every time you discover a strong seller, you simply save them into your list inside ZIK Analytics, okay? Now, instead of spending hours trying to rediscover products from scratch every single day, you already have a curated database of proven competitors ready for you. And this completely changes how you do product research, because once your list becomes big enough, you can just revisit those sellers once or twice a week and consistently pull fresh winning products from stores that are already validated by the market, And at that point, product research becomes faster, easier, and far more predictable. Instead of wasting time researching endlessly for random products, you are focusing only on sellers that already produce results. Okay, and the biggest advantage here is time, because the time you save, you can now go into the things that that actually grow your business, like optimizing listings, improving titles, increasing conversion rates, customer service, expanding to the more products or niches, So instead of working harder just to find products every single day, you build a system that keeps feeding you recurring opportunities over and over and over again. And that's the real goal here, not just finding one winning product, okay, but building a repeatable source of winning products, okay? Let me show you how simple this actually is, okay? So right here, we are inside the competitor's store in ZIK Analytics, okay? So the first thing here that I'm doing is quickly checking if the seller fits the type of competitor that I'm looking for, okay? For example, are the products getting sales, okay? Do the margins look good? Are the items consistent? Is this like a seller that I can come back to later just for more products and snipe them? And if the answer is yes, then all you have to do is to click right here, Save Seller. Now, before saving the seller, I highly recommend adding a short note that helps you instantly remember why you saved this competitor in the first place, okay? For example, I can write something like, for example, great Amazon dropshipper, okay? Or maybe I can go, write great profit, or low ticket products, or high ticket products, or fast shipping, or consistently daily sales. Literally anything that helps you identify the strength of that seller later on. And trust me, this becomes extremely useful once your list starts growing, okay? Because after saving 20 or even 50 competitors, you don't want to waste time trying to remember who each seller is and why you saved them. So for you to access your list, you simply just have to go right here to ZIK's left side menu and then click here on competitor research, okay? And once you're here, simply click on watch list, okay? And you will see your seller list right there and the seller we just added, okay? Now, you want to instantly look at your list and know exactly what they can contribute with your product research on that day. So these small notes really help you stay organized. Like, may seem like a small thing, but you know, details make the difference. It's much more efficient. So far, we have covered why building a competitor list saves you tons of time and how to organize sellers properly inside your watch list. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more eBay dropshipping content, okay? Now, let's get into the fun part, sniping products from your competitors. So don't go anywhere. I already have my competitor list ready to go. Now, it is time to show you how to actually snipe the products using ZIK's product match feature. Now, this is where things become really fast and really efficient. So what we're going to do now is to just go through each seller one by one, okay? And then I'm going to show you how to quickly snipe at least 2 products from every single competitor on the list, okay? So let's go. The first seller that we have here is this one, Tanya Shopee. First off, since I already know what type of seller I'm dealing with and what kind of products I'm looking for, I can make this process even faster. So in this case, my friend, I'm going to filter the products and only look for items that have at least 2 sales, okay, in the last 7 days, like that. That way, ZIK only shows me products that already match the type of metrics I'm looking for, instead of wasting time scrolling through products that don't make sense for my store, okay? Just a quick note here, if you notice that like the selling price average is around $20.50, okay? So that already tells me a lot about this competitor and the type of products that they're selling. So in this case, I already know I'll most likely be finding low to medium ticket products that sell consistently and can help bring traffic into the store while leaving enough room for a solid profit margin. Honestly, this is why understanding your competitor just matters so much, because once you understand the seller strategy, it becomes much easier to identify which products are actually worth sniping. I'm not expecting a high ticket item from this competitor, for example, okay? And then the process becomes very simple. All I have to do is like this, just scroll down here, okay, and start sniping the ones that fit what I'm looking for, okay? So let me just give you an example. Let's go with this product right here, like this, okay? So this product, it has 2 sales in the last 7 days and it costs $13.94, and it fits well for a low ticket product for us, okay? Now, I need to find a way to source this right, which has never been easier. I'm serious. You see this little box right here on the right side with the Amazon logo, with the check mark on top over it? So right here, this means that ZIK has found an exact match for our product on Amazon. And for us to check it further, we just need to click right here and boom, look at that. The Amazon product source right here and a full profit breakdown. So in this case, it's a 22% profit margin, which is, it's a great margin to work with when working with Amazon as a supplier. It's a pretty big margin. Now, I simply have to click right here where it says select folder, okay? Then create new folder, okay? And then you have to name something like watch list test or, whatever, like this, and then just save the folder, okay? Now, I just forgot to mention this before, but this step is really important so that you keep your whole research organized at all times. What we're doing right now is that with every single product, we have to save this. We save into the folder and stay organized, okay? So let's just take here another example, this product right here. This one actually has 3 sales in the last 30 days and it's selling for $35.72, okay? So let's just check this out, okay? And if it can be profitable for us, okay? Here it is, my profit breakdown. So you sell it for $35.72, you source it for $21.99, and then you keep a profit of $7 after every single sale. That fits great for me. I think that's a really good product right here. And again, I'll just simply click here on save to folder, Boom. And you see what I mean? Like, it's extremely easy to snipe products from our competitors. Let me show you another seller, with like different products. Okay. So let's go with this seller right here. This one right here, Epic Deals. So I had this seller saved in my watch list before. And the first thing that I see right away that I can understand the type of products that I'm going to get with the seller is the average price. Okay. And look at this. Here's the average price is $126.27. That means we're most probably going to get all high ticket products on every single search. Okay, now you may ask, why do you always look at this first? Okay, it's quite simple. It's a good question. And the thing is, I don't need to search for 2 sales in the last 7 days, for example, since it's a high ticket store. It means he probably does less sales, but more profit on each sale. You understand? Like, so instead of me going to search for products that have sold at least one time the last 7 days or something like that, I'm just going down here to his product list and check the ones I like. Okay, so for example, check out this one right here. Okay, it has sold 1 time in the last 7 days and 3 times in the last 30 days, and it's selling for $78.97. Okay, again, let's check out our profit breakdown by clicking here in the box. And my friend, check this out. Like, we can sell this for $78.97. We can source it for $49.99. Okay, and we can keep a profit of $14.47 per sale. So that's around like 18% profit margin on a high ticket product. It's simply amazing. Now imagine the same profit margin with more expensive product. Okay, let's just check another product. Okay, this one right here sold 1 time in the last 7 days, as you can see. All right, and it's selling for $136.38. Now this is what I want to show you. I did the same thing. Just check here in the profit box again. Look at that. We can sell it for $136.38. We can source it for $89.99. leaving us with a total profit of $21.54 per sale. You understand? Like, it couldn't be better, my friend. Again, just save to the list like that. Boom. Look, honestly, this is really all you have to do with every single competitor you save. I could literally sit here all day, just doing this with the sellers that I have on my list. But keep in mind, we only sniped 2 products from each competitor. Okay, but there were still plenty of other high profit products available that also matched the metrics that we're looking for. You understand? So once you understand the whole process, it becomes very, very straightforward. Like, I don't want to keep repeating the exact same thing over and over and over again. Repeat the whole process. You simply move from seller to seller, apply your filters, and then you just go through the list, snap the ones that fit your strategy. And it took me just a few minutes finding 4 products while still explaining everything to you guys. It's that fast, it's easy. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll get back to you. Okay, now that I showed you exactly how to find winning products using sellers you saved to your watch list, I'm going to show you something even better, and I call these the golden gems. And why? Let me show you exactly how this works. Okay, so first off, you need to come right here to your competitor watch list. Okay, where just click here the seller that you want to analyze. Okay, now if I want to get a full scan of this competitor's products, all I have to do is to click right here, scan all items. Okay, then immediately click on view scan items. Okay, now this part right here takes me directly into a tool called the bulk scanner, which honestly is one of my favorite tools in ZIK Analytics. Okay, and here's why. ZIK already does a huge part of the work for us by automatically separating the products into 3 different categories: exact match items, similar items, and not found items. Now, the exact match items are pretty straightforward. These are products where ZIK, was able to identify the exact supplier of the item. The similar item section is also very useful because it can help you find alternative versions, like variations or even upgraded models of products that are already selling well. But the real magic happens inside the not found items tab. This is where you will usually find the products that competitors are just trying their hardest to hide from you. And most of the time, there's a reason for that, okay? These are often products with better profit margins, lower competition, and products that aren't being oversaturated by everybody else, you know what I mean? So in other words, this is where you usually find the real hidden gems. Let me show you how we do this with a real example. Let's just pick a product from here. Okay, so this 60 pieces small glass jars. Okay, this product was sold 4 times in the past 7 days. Now, what we need to do is manually find the source of this product and add the async, which is the unique code Amazon gives to every single product in its marketplace. We get that code and then we'll paste into ZIK, okay? So once we do that, ZIK will automatically match the product on eBay with the Amazon source. So first, let me show you. You need to paste the product ASIN from Amazon in the tab here and then click reload. And look at that, ZIK automatically matches eBay listings with the Amazon source. Then from here, I can easily send this product to any of my folders inside ZIK. And just remember, this is only one product that the seller tried really hard to hide the source, okay? Now imagine how many other hidden gems you can uncover using this method. So far we have covered how to build a powerful competitor list, how to snipe products manually, and even how to find hidden gems using the bulk scanner. If you have been getting a lot of value from this video so far, make sure to leave a, just a like, and subscribe to our channel. We're almost hitting the 100K mark. That would be so cool. And if you use the same tools that I'm using in this video, you can try ZIK today, all right? Give it a try, let me know what you think. And before I go, let me just show you how to make this entire process even faster using the bulk scanner automation. So what I want to show you right now is that I want to show you how to scan like all the winning products from your saved sellers at once. And for this, we're going to use the bulk scanner again, but this time using the second feature, the multi-scanner. And what do you have to do? It's quite simple actually. First, you just add a few of your strongest competitor into the bulk scanner, okay, like this. And then you can select up to 5 competitors you want to scan at the same time, all right? And after selecting them, you just click here, add to multi-scanner. Now, this here, we can apply a few filters that will help us focus only on products that are actually worth adding to our store. There are filters I personally like to use, and I'm going to tell you them. Okay, so the minimum price, $15. Minimum profit, at least $2. Minimum sales, 2 sales in the past 7 days. Source website, Amazon.com. Prime only products, enable, okay? And the reason I use Prime only is because it usually means a better customer service and faster shipping. And once everything is ready, I'm just gonna click here, search, like this, okay? And now all the products from, the 5 competitors that are selected are displayed in one place. For example, let's check this product right here, right? The camo fishing leader. But anyway, I can see that this product here sold 2 times in the past 7 days. And the selling price on eBay is $23.69. Now, I can also see that the sourcing price from Amazon is only $16.04. So that leaves around $6.60 profit per sale. From here, I can choose specific products that I want to add to my product lister, or I can just simply upload all of them at once. And I can also export everything as a CSV file and upload these products into almost any listing software out there. This is one of the fastest ways to uncover and organize winning products from multiple successful competitors. That's it, the whole entire process. I just gave you the whole thing, right? At this point, you can probably see how faster and easier product research becomes once you stop searching just randomly and start building a real system around your competitors, okay? This is what I'm saying, like instead of spending hours and hours every single day trying to reinvent the wheel, my friend, you already have a list of proven sellers, proven products, and in a process that you can just repeat over and over again. And honestly, that's one of the biggest advantages of using tools like ZIK, okay? So I really hope that this video helped you guys out a lot. I hope so. Thank you so much for watching, all right? Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.